This video will show you how to make a quick reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily reserve rooms with basic guest details. Let us see how. Making a reservation is quick in Hotelogix. Under the desired room type and room number, click the check-in date and drag the selection till the checkout date. On the Quick Reservation panel, select the number of adults and children you wish to book for, and then choose the desired rate plan from the Rate Type drop-down list. Only active rate plans that are applicable on the booking dates and for the duration of stay will show in the drop-down list. You can easily customize the rate plan list from the admin console. Fill in the mandatory guest details, that is, first name, last name, and phone number. Note: entering email is not mandatory, but can be made so from the admin console. The price is calculated automatically according to the duration of stay, number of guests, rate plan, and the selected room type. Click Reserve. The new reservation will be created on Hotelogix front desk grid, also called the tape chart. This brings us to the end of this video on how to make a quick reservation.